Hey, what's up guys, Ali here, back with another video. Today I have something special for you guys. I'm gonna tell you awesome ways so you can get the best performance from your computer using Windows 10 Pro. These settings that I will tell you in 2 moments can work for a gamer or for a power user depending on your work requirements. The goal is simple: to get the best performance from the PC will reduce the RAM and CPU usage. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you how to enable God mode in Windows 10, which is very convenient. A little tip here: if you're using a laptop, whenever you play any heavy graphics game, use an external cooling fan. Plug in your charger and make sure your battery is charging. Don't just plug it in. Plugging your charger while your battery is full can ruin your laptop's battery. Just stay with me and you will learn how you can gain more FPS for your PC games and make your PC run faster than ever. One more thing, in this video I'm not going to use any third-party software. I will only play with Windows 10 built-in settings. Well, that being said, let's get to work. First, we're going to start with boot configurations for quick startup. So for that, we'll go to Start menu and write REGEDIT and press enter. Then we'll go to HKey_current_user on the left panel of the Registry editor app. After that, select software. Under software key, click on Microsoft. Now go to Windows and click on current version. Open Explorer under current version and find the serialized key. If the serialized key does not exist, then create it by right clicking on the Explorer key and select New and select key. Name this key serialize with capital S. Now right click on the serialized key and select New and select D-word 32-bit value. Name it Startup Delay in MSEC. Name its name in case sensitive alphabet like I am writing it. Double click on it and set its value to 0. Now exit the Registry editor. Okay, now go to Start menu and type System Configuration. In System Configuration, go to Boot tab and click on the Advanced options. Set the number of processors to the highest value, in my case 4, so I'm gonna select that, and also check the maximum memory box and set the memory according to RAM you have in MBs. Now hit OK, and on the main window check on No GUI boot option. Set timeout value to 0 if that's possible, otherwise set it to 3. If you want to make these settings permanent, that you can check this box too, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. Now hit apply. Now go to Services tab and check the box that says hide all Microsoft services. We're gonna look at my Windows 10 default services later in this video. For now, check the services that are running because of your third-party software. You can turn off any update services, like I don't want any Google update services to run on background when my PC boot up. So I'm gonna disable these Google services by unchecking these boxes right here. But still, do not turn off any driver services. When you're done with disabling these services, go to Startup tab and click on Task Manager. Here you can see the application that I have enabled to run on start. Check if you need to disable any third-party application, like I do not want Adobe Creative Cloud to run at startup, so I'm gonna disable it by clicking on the disable button that is in the right corner of this window. Now close the Task Manager and also close the System Configuration app. So now we'll look at the Microsoft default services that you can disable. Click on the Start button and type Services. Open this. By clicking on the name here, you can sort it in alphabetical order. Now we're gonna disable Microsoft default services. So for that, right click on the service that you want to disable. In the option menu, select Properties. On General tab, select Disabled from Startup Type list, and repeat this process with every service that you want to disable. I have written every service name that you can disable safely in the description box below. Now we'll look at Windows 10 spooky privacy settings. Seriously, it feels a little uncomfortable when you know that you're being tracked by your operating system. But it's your choice whether you want to be tracked or not. Plus, it's not only about being tracked. If you turn off your privacy settings, it will increase your internet speed and also your PC overall performance. Okay, for this purpose, click on Start menu and type Privacy Settings. Open this app. In general, I would suggest you to turn off all these 4 options. In the location option, choose which application you would allow to use your location. I'm going to turn all these off except Cortana because I use Cortana. In camera option, do the same. If you like to allow any application to use your camera, it's your choice, but I'm going to turn this button off too. These are my microphone settings. On this speech and typing option, if you don't use Cortana, you can click this Stop Getting to Know Me button. It's same with every other options in here. I'm gonna show you my settings, so if you want to mirror my settings, you can. On this feedback and diagnostic option, you can set this feedback frequency to never or whatever you like, but I'm gonna set it to never. Set this diagnostic and usage data to basic. It will save your internet data. Now on this last option, background apps, I'm gonna set all these apps to off so I can decrease my CPU usage. This is all done. Here's another tip for you guys. If you're using lithium-ion battery, always charge your laptop battery after fully discharging it. Don't believe on your OS battery notifications. Always discharge your battery full. Now we'll disable the visual effects of UI to get the best performance of Windows 10 user interface, by the way. Go to Start menu and type View Advanced System Settings and click on View Advanced System Settings. In here, on Performance, click on Settings. All of these you can see here are animations. Click on Adjust for Best Performance Radio button. Or you can check on any animation that you don't want to miss, which is a custom option. As you can see here, after selecting it, hit on Apply and OK, and also close the other window too. Okay, after doing all of that, we're going to disable Windows 10 Chameleon Color Adaptation and Transparency Effect because it uses your graphics driver. Again, go to Start menu and type Color and click on Color Settings. In here, you need to turn off all these 3 options off. And now we are here with the most time-consuming task in this whole process called disk defragmenting. For this purpose, we'll go to Start menu and type defragment and select defragment and optimize drives. After opening it, you should be able to see all your system drives. Choose the drive which you want to optimize and click on the optimize button. it will start defragmenting your selected partition. I have done it already, so I'm gonna cancel it. When you're done, close this window. After you're done with defragmenting, we'll use Windows 10 Disk Cleanup program to make your hard drive even faster. For this purpose, go to Start menu and type Disk Cleanup. Select Disk Cleanup, choose the drive you want to clean and click OK. I want to clean C drive, so I'm gonna click OK. It will start scanning the files that needs to be cleaned. But we also want to clean the system files. This is important when you have recently upgraded to Windows 10. Windows 10 saves your previous Windows files in case you want to downgrade it to the previous window. Of course, your previous Windows file takes space, so System Cleanup will also show you the previous Windows files so you can delete it. For further cleanup, click on System Cleanup Files. It will again ask you for the drive that you want to clean. Select C drive and hit OK. Uncheck the files that you don't want to clean. I'm gonna leave it as it is and click OK. Click on Delete Files and it will start deleting your files. We'll now delete the unnecessary applications that you don't use. Go to Start menu and type Add or Remove Programs and hit Enter. Now from this list, you can select any program that you don't use and uninstall it. Like I don't want Chrome. I'm gonna click on it and click on it, uninstall to uninstall it. You can also disable Windows Live Tiles because it also uses some power. Click on Start menu, right click on any tile, click on More and click on Turn Live Tile Off. At the end of this video, as I said, I'm gonna show you how to enable God mode in Windows 10. It's simple, just go to Desktop or anywhere and create a folder and copy and paste the name from the description below. After naming it, you will see that its icon has changed. Double click on it and you will see many Windows great options in one place. As I said, it is very convenient if you tweak your PC settings frequently. I have one more last important tip for you guys. Try not to use any RAM consuming software. Instead of that, use light software that do the same work as heavy duty software. For example, instead of using uTorrent, you can use Transmission app for downloading torrents. And remember, always purchase software from the source. For performance, mostly people use CC Cleaner and other software like that. But I would recommend you not to use any third-party software because that software also uses RAM for itself, which will eventually decrease your PC performance. Well, that's the end of the video. All these tweaks and settings are working best for me. If you have questions or if you are having trouble, please tell me in the comments below. I will be happy to help you. As always, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please like it, and if you dislike it, tell us in the comments or simply dislike it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.